all my class fellows who will perform a short skit on.
Good morning, class. Good morning, Mr. Smith. Today we are going to talk about something very important. Can anyone guess what it is? Yes?
Is it about being kind?
That's right, Ria. Today we will talk about respecting others, especially our younger ones. Do you know what respect means? Yes, you.
It means being nice to people.
That's right, Arjun. Younger ones learn from us. If we show them kindness, they will also learn to be kind. Now, how can we show respect to our younger ones? Yes, you.
We can help them when they need it.
Yes, you.
We should speak to them politely.
Exactly. We should be kind, helpful, and use polite words. Imagine you are an older brother or sister. How would you help your younger siblings? Yes, you.
I will share my toys with them.
That's right. Sharing, helping, and guiding our younger ones are all the way to show respect.
Yes, Mr. Smith.
Great. Now let's practice respect every day, especially our younger friends and family.
We will, Mr. Smith.
Today's thought for the day: we raise ourselves by respecting our younger ones.
So we are going to do this one little activity to show gratitude and seek forgiveness. So जो भी बच्चा आपके पास में खड़े हुए आपके friend हैं, please shake your hand with them and say thank you